Deliziosa.
Hey!
I said go left, right here.
I am going to ram that map so far up your...
Who's hungry?
I could eat a horse. Firstly, we are visiting the Lovets.
Love it.
Yeah? Timmy, Prim, Lara and Ashley. Prim reckons that even though she's Sri Lankan, the only way she can cook a curry is out of a jar.
The first family you take us to is a family that can't cook.
I like to live dangerously, darling. Tim?
Timbo.
Prim,
Yes.
lovely to meet you. And you must be Lara and Ashley. So do you know who we are?
We are very famous.
Well, I am. He's not.
Come on in, please.
Going in.
Tonight on the menu is pork and fennel bolognese with spinach in the sauce.
I actually have found cooking to be an absolute chore. It's quite boring when you have kids who are fussy eaters.
I don't like all flavours, which would make me picky, as a picky eater.
Out of 10, give me a score out of 10 what Dad's cooking is like.
2?
2?
2? How can you give me 2?
Well, Mum gives you the food, then you go to the barbecue and cook it, so...
It's not that bad.
His skills have gone from 0 to basic.
I mean, they are really picky eaters. They would hardly eat anything that's here.
I eat a lot of food, but it's either plain in tomato sauce or gravy.
We're in trouble here.
I mean, Tim has a lot of strengths, but it's definitely not domestic duties.
I like to go into the kitchen and get my hands dirty, get to know all the ingredients. I like to smell them, like to touch them.
I think he feels like he's hung up his barbecue tongs now and Lara thinks she might run the barbecue.
So what are we doing? What do you need me to do? I'm ready.
Nothing, Johnny. All good, mate. Under control.
I can cut the zucchinis for you.
Just hold your horses, mate. We'll get there.
All right, I'll leave it to the pros then.
Yeah, thanks.
It looks great.
You've got to love a man who can cook. I just need to find me one. Smells amazing.
Tim.
Cheers. Cheers to Tim.
Cheers to
Timbo.
You might not need to go in the kitchen anymore.
Let's bog in.
So I was thinking like, what is this? When I tried it, it was actually so yummy I could eat more and more of it.
It has been hilarious watching him learn how to cook, but the meals that he has prepared have been so good. For them to say, can I have some more? I mean, that's huge in our household.
Very impressive. Yeah.
Thanks again, guys.
Thank you.
Lovely to see
Coming
you.
over.
Right, where to? You're navigating?
Well, beach it is then. We are in a combi.
Beauty. Let's do this.
HelloFresh, delivering simply delicious meals to more people than ever.